Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set data usage limit in Samsung phone. Let's get started. Open your settings app on your phone. Then you have to choose connections option. It's right here, just click on it. And then we are going to choose data usage right here. And after that, we can choose billing cycle and data warning. And you have to turn on the set data limit by clicking on this toggle button like this, and set the data limit that you want by clicking on data limit. And I'm going to choose 3 GB, and after that you can click set right here. Okay guys, that's how we can set data usage limit in Samsung phone. I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.